This is Henry. He's wearing a kitty cat costume because yesterday was Halloween. And Henry, do you want to show everybody what you can do? Huh? Are you not going to do it now? Oh, maybe. There you go. Henry can roll over. Whoa! That's no help, rolled all the way over. You want me to get you off the carpet? Yeah. Say meow. Happy Halloween, everybody. Happy Halloween. Hi. Are you too busy to smile? Are you too busy working hard at rolling? Are you too busy to smile? Is it funny when I spit at you? You little weirdo. You little weirdo. Okay. Say Happy Halloween, everybody, and remember to vote. It's fun putting words in babies' mouths. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Alright, bye, everybody.